Hello guys, this is CA Vishal Jain, your faculty for ACCA FR and SBR paper. Guys, the most important question that is among the students is, sir, what should be the order of attempting the questions in ACCA FR? Section A, Section B or Section C? So the correct answer for that is, first of all, you should appear Section A, then Section B. Now, when you are appearing Section A and Section B, ensure that you are appearing these Section A and Section B question in max to max 1 hour or 1 hour plus 15 minutes buffer, not more than that. Now, when you are appearing Section A and Section B questions and you find any question as complex questions or you are getting stuck up in that question, then don't get stuck up. Just flag that question for review. Just flag that question for review and move on to Section C. Move on to Section C. In Section C, you know there are two questions: preparation of financial statements and interpretation. Now, so first of all, solve preparation of financial statements and then solve interpretation of financial statements. Try to complete Section C in 1 hour and 30 minutes. Try to complete Section C in 1 hour and 30 minutes. Then after that, you will still be left with around 30 to 40 minutes still will be there with you. Now in this time, what you have to do is you have to go through the flagged questions of Section A and Section B. But there comes a point why I am telling you this approach, the logic behind that. Understand, all of us know in Section A or in Section A and B, you can either score 2 or 0. You can either score 2 or 0. Means even a single word here and there, you are scoring 0. So the presence of mind which is required to read the case scenario, to read the requirement, to read the options, true, false, whatever it is, the format of the question, the presence of mind which is required is very high. So you should start at the very beginning because the concentration level is very high. Now towards the end, we are rushing to complete the paper. Now in that time, appear Section C. Why? In Section C, even if you make one mistake, the marks will be deducted only for that mistake. Okay, but you will get the marks follow on. Why? Because there is an own figure rule. Step marking is there. Step marking is there. So then you appear Section C. Again, one more point. In Section A or Section B, if you find any questions are complex, don't waste your time in that. Don't waste your time in that. First of all, bag easy marks. First of all, bag easy marks. Okay. Then once you are done with the entire paper, go to the flagged questions. Okay. And try to solve them. Ensure one thing, that you are not leaving even a single question unsolved. For Section A and Section B, don't leave even a single question unsolved. Why? Because there is no negative marking. So even if you don't know the answer, use guesswork and solve it off. Okay, don't leave it unsolved. Okay, because if you solve it by using your guesswork, there are chances that it can get correct and you might score 2 marks. But if you leave it, there is sure shot 0 for that. Okay, so this is the right approach and the order of attempting the questions of ACCA FR paper. I believe it helped you guys. Thank you. Bye bye.